So phase one of the decking project's finished now, and the pergola's up. It just needs painting or staining, so that's going to go a dark colour eventually, and maybe put a little bit of trim just around the bases where it touches the decking, just to tidy it up a bit. So the pergola will be a different colour to the decking. Some edging strips need to go on, like a little retaining wall, stop the bank collapsing in onto the decking. And now I'm starting the second phase. So this is made up ground, which used to be quite a steep bank, probably 30%, maybe even 40% incline going down there. So it's all made up ground, it's not very strong, and it could give to subsidence. So the plan is dig right down to the original foundation, so that's about 1.5 meters down there, and then I'll be driving in each of these holes 2 20mm steel rods, which are 1.5 meters each length, so they're going to go a good meter into the ground, 2 in each hole, and then they'll be covered in concrete, about 1/2 meter of concrete, and then we'll brick up from there. And then once they're all tied in together with the rafters, that should give us a good foundation along the back edge. Not quite so important for this piece of decking here, it's not going to hold a lot of weight, but this bit you'll eventually see is going to house a big summer house, and there'll be a sauna inside there, so there's going to be a fair bit of weight, so we really want to make sure that the foundation's solid for that. So next video should be when these holes have all been completed. You can tidy this up and then dig the rest of the post holes for the decking. Okay.